Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. I'm kicking off another What I Wore video. It is Sunday and only Wyatt is joining me for the kickoff because Dina has decided to sleep a little longer. Lucky her, right? So, what do you think, Wyatt? You gonna be able to stay awake for this kickoff? Yeah. Oh, he's talking. I don't know if you guys could hear him. So, he's still talking. It is Sunday, and happy Easter to those of you that celebrate Easter. So today is going to be a semi-casual day, although we are going to my niece's house for a little bit. And I have, it's not really that warm. It's only going to be about mid-50s today. So looks overcast, not too pretty. I have on a pair of shoes. There's slides that I got in a Stitch Fix last summer, last spring, at least a year ago. And I have on Paige jeans that I forgot about that I got in a trunk club last spring. So they're in a pale yellow. A blouse from the Loft that I got in one of my recent hauls. And a jean jacket that I got from the Loft quite some time ago. So I'm keeping it rather casual. And I think that's my outfit for today. Wyatt's going to sleep, so let me share. He's a goofball. He would let me hold him like that, like for hours. Okay, so I picked the green blouse today. It is a flutter sleeve, so sleeveless and just a little bit of that flutter sleeve at the top. It does have a little bit of yellow in it. You guys can see this pattern. I'll get a little bit closer. Has a little bit of blue in it and white, a tiny bit of black. So it's a nice, pretty spring color. It does have the sides that come up, and I guess it's a little bit slightly longer in the back than in the front. So it's their typical flutter sleeve top. I know they have lots of patterns in these, and I do like them. They're nice for dress or casual. And then I just put on these Paige jeans that I forgot that I had. They do have a unfinished hem, and they hit about right at my ankle. And I put on these light blue slides that I got in the Stitch Fix. And I just put on a jean jacket because it is still cool. And that's my outfit for today. I'll get a little bit closer. So I hope everyone has an awesome Sunday, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Bye, everybody. Hey, everybody. It is Monday, and the day got away from me, and I totally forgot to do outfit of the day for you until right now. And it's almost the end of the day, right? But Zena's here. She's excited. Wyatt's here. I don't know what he's doing. Wyatt, can you say hi? Apparently not. Okay. So for today, it is actually got up to 64 today and sunny. I have on a pair of Loft jeans, a Loft sweatshirt type top. I have on Tom sandals and a jacket from, I'm looking here. Yeah, Liverpool. It's a Liverpool jacket. It's thin though. It's not like their normal thicker jean jackets. This one's super thin, right, Zena? Zena wants treats, so I'm going to give them to her while you guys can see that these dogs get treats all the time, literally all the time. So you guys don't usually see it, but they do get treats all the time. All right, so here's my outfit for Monday. So this sweatshirt top is from the Loft. It was from one of my hauls. It has this light floral pattern on it with pinks and blues and yellows on a gray background, like a heather gray. And then I put on the jeans also from, I think it was the same haul as this top with this cuff on it with the pattern. And I put on my pale pink Toms with it. And then the jacket. So this is my outfit for today. It was much cooler this morning because the day started only in, I don't even know, I think it was in the low 50s. So this is my outfit for Monday. Wyatt's now on the floor. Do you want to say hi to everybody? Yes. All right, so I hope everyone is having a great week so far, and we will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Bye, everybody. Hey, everyone. Welcome to Tuesday's outfit of the day. Wyatt's sleepy. I'm sleepy, but I got to work. Wyatt, not so much, right? Wyatt, not so much. So today's outfit's pretty simple. I have on wedges from Sam Edelman. Slides. They're actually slides. And they don't have a wedge, so I don't even know what I'm saying. But they're slides. And Umgee jeans I got in a Natalie Attired, I believe. A tank top from the Loft from a while ago. And a sweater from the Loft from a recent haul. And my necklace from my White House Black Market haul. Earrings that I got a while ago from Leah Sophia. That's it. That's the outfit. Wyatt can barely keep his eyes open. So let me share. So I have on this cardigan is multicolored. It has pinks and blues in it, if you can see that. It also has the nice little hem that comes up on the side. And I just have a basic tank on. It doesn't have any pockets or anything. It's just a basic pink tank. And I have on these little Umgee jeans that I ended up keeping with the fringe. And they come up on the sides that I think are fun. And I put them on with these slides because they're easy. And they're in pink. And I'm feeling pink today. It's starting out in the 40s, but it's supposed to get up in the 70s. So...
set the alarm for when?
Wow, my phone's talking to me. I would like to set an alarm. That's funny. All right, so this is my outfit for Tuesday. And I didn't even know I could set an alarm for my watch, so that's good information since I've obviously not been using my watch to its fullest capacity. You learn something new every day, don't you, bud? All right, guys, so I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Bye. Hey, everybody. Hope everyone is having a good week. It's hump day, so welcome to Wednesday's outfit of the day. And I am all by myself today. No sidekicks to help me, who I see have rearranged my pillows here. They are at the groomers. So today, it's only going to be in the mid-60s, not really warm, kind of. The sun's been in and out, but I'll take it. And I have on my Lucky and Blessed jeans that are the flare from my mix and match box, I think from 2 months ago. I have on a top that I got in a Stitch Fix last spring, I think it was. And it is a sheer one, so I have a Halogen tank on, which Halogen are my very favorite. They're like a long tank, and I get them anytime I can from Nordstrom. And I have on shoes that are Jeffrey Campbell, lace up, little sandal booties, and a moto jacket from Mix and Match Box. And that is my outfit for Wednesday. So this top, like I said, is kind of a sheer fabric. So I do have on this long navy tank underneath it. It does have tassels, which is not my favorite thing, but I do like it. It has a little bit of a lace up here in the front. And it is a little bit longer in the back. But it's I like the pattern. It's a cute top. And my white moto that is a Liverpool, which I really like. Of course, I like how it's a little bit longer in the back as well. So it has a neat hemline. It does have the zippers at the wrist, which I folded up because it was a little bit long for me. So that's how I handled that. And then my little boot cut or flare jeans here with these pink booty sandal shoes that I have. They lace up the front, but they also zip up the back. So that's nice. And that is my shoe for today. So this is my outfit. And I know this seems kind of boring without the sidekicks for today. And get closer. So, hope everyone is having an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Bye, everybody. Hey, everybody. It is Thursday and time for outfit of the day. Zena and Wyatt are back, fresh from the groomers, and doesn't Zizi look cute? She's got her bandana on. She smells really good. She only cares about treats. Wyatt's here, too. Wyatt, can you show them your pretty bandana? No? Okay, we'll get him in a minute. What? So, it is only going to be like, excuse you. Did you guys just hear her? Oh, she's so bad. Anyways, why show them your pretty bandana. Look how nice. Yes, okay. My outfit. Today I am wearing Steve Madden sandals, express jeans, and limited top, tank, and blazer. That's my outfit for Thursday. So, all of these items are things that have been in my closet for several years. And is only going to be in like 59, 60 today. Cloudy, rainy. So, not a pretty day. Zena is being obnoxious, aren't you? Here is my outfit. So, these are a light wash gray jean from Express. They do have some distressing. And I'm going to have, I think they might be a little bit stretched out. So, I might have to see if I need to shrink them a little bit. Because they are several years old. So, I'm not sure. Maybe I just need to wash them in warm. Anyway, I do like these because they're very soft and they are very comfortable. But it might be time to get rid of them, so we'll have to see. I'll wear them today and I will see. And then this top is a little bit on the sheer side. That's why I do have a tank top underneath it, but it has lots of colors in it. It is sleeveless. So I did put on this blazer with it, which hits me right above my wrist. And it's in a pale pink, but I like the length of it. It's nice and long. And then my shoes are a lace-up with a zipper on the side by Steve Madden. They have a nice chunky heel, and they're very comfortable. And this is my outfit for Thursday. So I hope you all are having a great week. Why? Do you want to tell hi to everybody? Say hi to everybody, right? Tell them hi and show them your nice haircut and your bandana. He just wants to go to sleep. So I hope everyone's having a good week, and we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Bye, everybody. Hey, everybody. It is Friday, but it is dark and rainy and kind of chilly outside. Wyatt doesn't seem to care, though. Even though he got groomed and he smelled good, he's going outside and getting all wet. So you're going to smell like wet dog, aren't you? Zena's not joining us today for some reason. What did you do to her? Did you make her mad? Yeah? Okay. So for today, I am wearing older items, and I'm trying to decide if I want to keep. So I do that a lot. Sometimes when I'm trying to clean out my closet, I'll wear them and decide keep or get rid of. So you guys need to help me. Today is one of those days, right? So I have on a pair of White House Black Market jeans that are a straight leg, and I think they might be a little long on me. I have a pair of sandals. I'll give you a close-up look to them. I'm not thinking I love them. I actually think they might hurt my feet a little bit. So while there's really nothing wrong with them, I'm not loving them. So I'm not sure I'm going to keep them. I like this little buckle here on the side. So I'm going to wear them today, see how they feel. They're already like putting lines in my feet. So I'm thinking I'm not going to keep them. But we'll see how today goes. And then I have on a top from the Limited, which I thought was sheer, but it might not be as sheer as I thought. Maybe not, but I do have a black tank on underneath it. And then a blazer also from the Limited. So here is my outfit for Friday. So this top has lots of pretty colors in it. It is a long sleeve blouse with the roll tab, so you can choose to wear it, all the way down or roll it up. It was a little too long for me, so I did roll it up, but you can't tell because I put this jacket on anyway. But it's a pretty blouse with a nice little notch front. And then I put on with these jeans since it went well with them. You can see they are a straight leg. but they do appear to be a little bit long because they're bunching here, which is bothering me. So I think that's what my problem is with these jeans. They seem a little bit long. And then I put them on with these shoes because I'm deciding whether I want to keep them or not. They are a little bit low on my toe, which I think might be one of the reasons why I'm thinking about getting rid of the shoes as well. The jacket's good. I like it. It's a nice soft fabric. This shirt I think is a pretty color and will go with a lot. It's a nice basic as well. It's good for work or for casual, so I like it too. But this is my outfit for Friday. And I'm so glad it's Friday because it's been a super long week. And I'm going into another super long week. I'm traveling again next week and I have to leave really, really early Monday morning. So anyway, I'm going to try to get as much done as I can this weekend. But anyway, I will be back tomorrow with one more outfit for this video. Have a good one. Bye. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and it is time for outfit of the day. Right, Z? Yes. Z's ready for treats. Wyatt's already in nap mode. So it's a normal day and I'm off to breakfast with my friend. What? We didn't even do anything yet. It's not time for treats. Okay, so today I have on, let's see, Vigoss jeans I got in a Wantable, a top that I got in a Stitch Fix, a jacket by Liverpool that I'm pretty sure I got in a mix and match box. I have on shoes that are by Camuto that I got at Nordstrom. And I think that's everything. So let me share my outfit for Saturday. If Zena can behave. Can you behave? Okay. So this blouse is a sleeveless blouse with a little notch front. I'm loving the pattern on this. It has such pretty colors in it. And I paired it with these Vigoss jeans that have a little bit of distressing here just at the knee. And they do have an unfinished hem. And put on the bent sandal that have the zipper in the back. And they look like they have a lace-up look to them, but it's faux. And then this nice drapey jacket by Liverpool in this camel color, which I think looks really great with the top. So here's the look. What? Do you want to say hi to everybody? And like I said, this top is sleeveless. So it'll be nice going into warmer weather as well, because I think the colors are fantastic in it. It does have a little notch cut out in the back, which I think is cute since the jacket does go up a little bit, so it does show that. So this is my outfit. And this wraps up another What I Wore video. So I'm hoping you guys love these videos. I am traveling next week, so hopefully I can capture my outfits for each day. I will do my best for you. But sometimes when I travel, it gets a little harder. But I will do my best. Why? Do you want to say hi to everybody? Yes? All right. Thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please consider hitting that like button. We would love it if you hit that subscribe button and join all the fun. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so very much. I will list each of my outfits down below and put where I got them beside it. Some of them are older items, but some of them are newer items as well. Thank you so much and have an awesome day. Bye, everybody.